Welcome to the Daddy Brothers Show! Yeah!
Oh man, something happened to Mikey, Donatello, and Leonardo. This is all I found. I don't know what to do. Everything that's led me to this place looks like a regular house in suburbia. I heard there was a ninja in the area, and thankfully I got some weapons for him, baby. Are you the ninja?
Yeah.
Well, I'm about to fight you!
No!
Where's my brothers?
I don't know.
What did you do with Michelangelo?
I don't know.
What did you do with Donatello?
I can't do that.
Where is Leonardo? You
Ah!
my brother!
No!
Fight me!
Where's my brother?
Fight me!
Where's my brother?
I don't have your brothers! Come here, come fight me! Face me like a man! Or face me like a turtle!
Ah!
Oh, you got me in the hooga booga. Fight me! Come on, boy! Man, this is not working. My throw. Yeah! I got him. And now I got his sword. Oh, he's still alive! He must be a mystical.
I'm looking.
No! Well, at least I got a sword. Come on, boy! I'm not used to swords, but...
He's still. He's still. He's
I won. Now on the search looking for my brothers. Batman and Spider-Man team up to fight the deadly Techno Rex.
Yeah.
Let's go get him, Bat. Let's go get him, Spider-Man. I hit him. Oh, I keep hitting the wall. You got him. You got him.
Yeah,
Woo!
I don't get it. I got his belly.
No, he's getting you. I'll help. I'm bonking him.
Yeah, go Batman.
Batman. Batman.
Spider-Man.
Alright, brother. Oh, dynamite!
Oh, stop!
I'm trying to knock you down. Oh, you coming for me? Oh, look at him. He's coming. Here, I'll help you. I'll help you. I got you loose. Oh, here he comes. Watch out, he's coming. Ah! Brother, coming for us. I'm Batman.
He's gone!
I'm gonna do something to try and stop him.
I'm gonna
He's still coming! Ah! I'm not deterring him yet.
He's gone!
Oh, he knocked you over.
I'm still going to you.
If he gets us, he's gonna hurt us. I'm gonna knock him out.
I'm gonna knock you out too. This is for
You cannot pass.
Daddy, that's him in the battle card.
You cannot pass.
I'm
He's still coming. He's hungry. He wants us. He wants to fight us. Get him, Spider-Man. Get him. Get back. Stop me. Get him, Spider-Man.
Thanks. Spider's right here. Yeah.
Stop it, T-Rex. Stop it.
Stop! It's coming. I'm gonna get
Stop it. Get him.
T-Rex. T-Rex. I hit T-Rex.
Get him, Spider-Man. Get him.
Spider-Man.
Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Push on.
I'm in the head. I'm gonna use this red.
Stagger him, T-Rex. He's strong, ain't he? Well, that's one way to kill a rat.
Wait.
Looks like he's defeated. Good job. We win.
Show him what we made, brother.
We made this and then the
Where's the white ball that goes on top? Show him how to turn on. And this is supposed to blow up a ball, but we can't find our ball.
We keep on the ball.
What do you do with it, brother?
I don't know.
Jimbo, what's that? Just bro. Bounce it. Get it, Jim. Get that ball. Get it. Go get it, Jimbo. Go get it. Now I'm gonna get this T-Rex to go after General. He's coming for you, Jen.
He's coming.
Oh. He's getting you, General.
Got the ball.
Let's go see what Jung's doing.
Yeah. You just went out there.
Yes, look. Hey, Jung.
He did.
Jung the Jung.
He did.
Jung the fun. He said I'm going through here, boys. Come on up here. Come on up there. See what He's like, I'm hungry. Let me eat my food chips. General, get down. That ain't a snack for you. Get down. He's coming, General. Look. James, you messed it up. Now go. General, get it. Get it. Look, General, get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, he's gonna get. Look. All right, Gerald. Good. Looks like he's taking a load off.